Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we are going to be diving into my Tatcha Fukubukuro bag for 2024. I have been trying to practice that all day, you guys. It is the hardest word ever to pronounce. So I hope I said it correctly. I think it's Fukubukuro bag. I think. So again, if you're new here, thank you so much for joining us today. Think about hitting that subscribe button down there if you love beauty and unboxings. I do lots of unboxings on this channel and I do love beauty as well. So go ahead and subscribe down below if you want to hang out with us. So like I mentioned, we're opening up an order from Tatcha. Now Tatcha is a skincare company and they make incredible products. Their moisturizers are some of my personal favorite moisturizers on the planet, you guys. Now, I find with this brand, they do not offer sales or deals or anything at all except for this once a year. It only happens in January. They do it every year. And essentially, if you purchase a $200 order from them, you're placing an order for any products on their website. As long as you reach $200, they will match it and include a mystery lucky bag for you valued at $200, which is usually an assortment of their other products. So you're basically getting twice as much for your order. So that's what I have here. It is still available as of the timing of this video, so I will be posting a link down below if you guys would like to purchase. Just keep in mind that you do need to place a $200 order before they will throw in this $200 mystery bag. And the mystery bag that I'm going to show you today might be what you get, but then again, they may surprise you and give you some other items instead. There's really no guarantee because it is a mystery. That rhymes. On top, I do have a little envelope here, and it's got the Tatcha logo, and inside we have a handwritten card, and then we've also got some foil samples as well. So we have 3 foil sample packets that came with this order. They're going to be just their free packets. The first one is the Tatcha Essence. I also have the Tatcha Rice Polish, and it is their deep polish. And last but not least, we have the water cream. This thing is amazing. If you guys haven't tried it, I recommend it. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I ordered. The first thing that I ordered is one of their kits. I feel like these are great because you get to try a little bit of everything from Tatcha if you want to experiment. This is called the Starter Ritual, and it is a balancing set for normal to oily skin. It has a little bit of everything inside of it, but it also makes a great gift item. So if you want to gift this to somebody, you totally could. So there are 5 steps in this box. So here's our Tatcha box. I mean, if you know the brand, this is very on par for them. It looks great. And then inside, you're gonna have your 5 beauty products to have great skin. So this is their cleansing oil, the rice polish deep, we have the water cream, the essence, and the silk peony. Now these are all glass jars. They are all travel size, but I did know that when I purchased this kit because again, it's your intro or that starter kit into their lineup. But each of these products, I mean, you guys, they sell for so much. Like this brand, it is definitely bougie and expensive, but I do feel like it works. It is worth the money spent. But if you buy it in gift form, it's a little bit cheaper. Next up, I have a few other loose items that I purchased. This is their silk powder. And again, this is just a travel size. It's a translucent setting powder that will set everything in place. I will do this to lock my makeup in place, but since it's translucent, it's not going to change the color of anything. So this is what it will look like here. And then your powder will be inside. I also have another one of their water creams. This is my favorite product. It's just such a great moisturizer. It doesn't clog my pores. It gives me hydration and it's just absolutely wonderful. It's very lightweight as well and it dries quickly. So you can put it on and then roll right into your makeup routine right after. I also went with their lip mask. Now I've not tried this product, but again, I was like, if I like all the other products, I feel like this is gonna be good. Oh, look at how cute this is. So you do get a gold spatula to go along with this lip mask. And then inside is your mask. Is this not gorgeous? I love good packaging, and Tatcha just always delivers, so I'm so excited. So this is what your lip mask will look like here. And the last item, a part of my order, is going to be the travel size liquid canvas. This is a primer that will help your makeup to stay on longer, but it's also going to reduce shine and oils and block them throughout the day. They do recommend putting this on, letting it dry completely before applying your makeup is the only thing. So this is what it will look like outside of the box. It is considered their travel size, but it's also very lightweight once again. All of that is what I purchased for $200. It's a little bit of everything. It's products that I wanted to try. Some of them are ones that I already know I love. So I just got a little bit of both. But now I'm going to show you guys what's inside of the mystery bag that is supposed to be valued at $200. So here's my bag. It's really heavy, so that's a good thing. On the back, it does state that this is a lucky bag. It is their much anticipated New Year custom in Japan. This mystery shopping event is a special treat where grab bags said to be filled with luck can be purchased at an amazing value. Oh my gosh. I think this is going to be really good, you guys. Like, there is a lot in here just when I'm looking inside. This is good. First up, I have the Tatcha Essence. This is 75 ml or 2.5 ounces. So I think this is full size, you guys. If not, they may make a jumbo version, but I mean, there's a lot of product in here. So all glass jar, once again, it is sealed, and this is the plumping skin treatment. You would want to do this, it's just like a serum, so you're going to put this on after you cleanse and after you tone, and then you're going to put this on, and it will help to plump and hydrate your skin. Next item is the Violet C Brightening Serum. So this one is travel size. It is 10 ml or 0.34 ounces. And this features rose inside of it. And this serum, again, is going to be a brightening effect. I also have the rice polish inside of here. Now, this one is the classic version. The other two that I mentioned earlier in my order were part of their deep version where it's a really deep cleanser, but this is going to be their OG or classic cleanser. It is a foaming powder, so you're just gonna pour this powder into your hands, add a little bit of water, and it will actually lather up and create a foam, and then you can use it to cleanse. It's very lightweight because it is a powder inside of this, but there's quite a bit here. Having used this product, it does go, like a little bit goes a really long ways. The next item in my mystery bag is this giant box, and this is their Texture Tonic. So I think this is full size because it's 5 ounces. It is a balancing and resurfacing treatment, and this is their tonic that is supposed to take down any bumps or texture. It's essentially going to be an exfoliant, like a liquid exfoliant. So this is what it looks like here with the Tatcha logo. And then, like I said, here's this tonic mixture. It has niacinamides in this, AHAs, wild rose, leopard lily, and other extracts that are from Japan. And all of these ingredients will help to tighten your pores, reduce redness, even skin tone, and gently exfoliate your skin. I can't believe we got this. I'm gonna have to look up the price on it, but like, this is amazing that this is in the box. So this is how you open it up here. It just kind of wraps all the way around the box itself. And then inside you get the little guide that talks about their tonic. And then you're gonna get your full-size product. You guys, this is amazing. Again, just kind of knowing this brand, I bet you anything, this is like a $70 product. I mean, it's not cheap to purchase, but because they don't do sales and they don't do this very often, just getting this as an added bonus with my order makes it totally worth it. Okay, I have one final item inside of my mystery bag here from Tatcha, and this is their Silk Cream. This one is travel size, it's 10 ml of product, and it is their weightless moisturizer. So you receive 5 products inside of the mystery bag. So that is everything inside of my order and the mystery bag from Tatcha this year, you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you think. But I have to tell you, if you love Tatcha and you know this brand, you will instantly see the value here because You're getting all of these other items for free. The fact that you're spending $200, but you're getting $400 worth of product is a steal of a deal. Now, I love the fact that I'm getting a few other items in here that I didn't purchase as well, so there weren't duplicates. So I really like that. I like that it's full size. I like that there's a few minis as well. I am super pleased as a customer. Now, I know this might be a little bit more of an expensive investment for some of my viewers, but like I said, if you know this brand, you're definitely going to see the value with this one. So I thought this was great. I'm so pleased with what I have here today that I'm looking forward to doing this every year, just because this is such a better way to buy things than if I were to buy it any other time of the year. So comment down below, you guys. And like I said, if you would like to get your very own mystery bag, I will have a link down below. This is limited time only though. They only do it at the start of the new year. And then once they sell out of their mystery bags, they're not going to have any more of these either. So get on it quickly. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!